Up next, I'll show you how I root my Swedish Ivy cuttings. Okay, so I've made my own hydroponic system. It's rather small, but I use this to root my cuttings. It takes about 5 to 10 days to get fully rooted. See, I use net inserts. You can see the roots right there coming out. I use clay pebble medium for it to grow in. Look at those roots. Oh, those are nice. I usually wait till it gets a little bit bigger, but I'm going to take this one out for now. Now we're going to insert one of the cuttings. I only fill the medium up about a third of the way, and then I put the cutting in the middle like this. So you can see it's not that full, a third to about half. Now I go ahead and I fill it to the top with the rest of the pebbles. Try not to get them everywhere. All right, there we go. Clean some of these up here. And there we go. Now I'm going to do this one here the same way. You can see the roots. So now it's a few more roots than the other one did. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. Look at all those roots. I am going to empty it out. And I'm going to gently, see that got a couple of pebbles stuck on there. Gently pop those off. And like I said, I usually wait till the roots are a little bit longer. But we're just going to go with it like this. All right, I'm filling it up to the top with the clay medium. Just kind of packing it a little bit, make sure that the root is in there sturdy. She doesn't fall out on me. Put it right in place. And there we go. Now as they grow, the leaves will turn up. They won't be sideways. That's just the way they were growing on the plant where I cut them off of. Put the top back on, make sure the humidity stays relatively high so that the plants will root and the clay pebbles will stay wet. If they dry out, it doesn't make things easy. So here's my second hydroponic system. I use a couple neoprene inserts in it on some of the smaller cuttings that I had, and you can see here that one rotted. The stem was too close to the water and just didn't make it. So I'm going to throw that out and take the rest of the insert. See how it fell apart? Yeah, I'm not going to use these again. And you can see that is the bottom of the stem that was supposed to be rooted and rotted instead. So yeah, it's not because of the insert so much as it is because of the I didn't have a healthy cutting. So I did before, third to halfway, put the cutting in the middle, fill it up to the top with the clay medium, and I tap it a little bit, make sure the pebbles, the stem of the cutting stays in place. All right, and in 5 to 10 days, these cuttings will turn into one of these. Be a little bit bigger, because the cutting's a little bit bigger. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all Ambrias Inc. Thank you for watching.